Hey guys, it's Sharon from Digital Nomad Quest, and today we're going to talk about how to use Fetch Rewards to earn free gift cards. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I'm all about teaching you how to build passive income, become financially free, and design your best lives. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of my latest videos. Now, I love the app Fetch Rewards. It basically is an app that allows you to scan receipts and get free points from it. And those points can be traded in for gift cards, which is really awesome. It's basically rewarding you when you're shopping. So the way I use it, normally I throw away my receipts, right? But I'll just scan my receipt. It takes me like a few seconds. I just get the receipt, I take a picture of it, and then I get some points from it. And overall it accumulates and I'm able to start trading those for gift cards. Now I'm going to do a tutorial and I'm just going to screen record my phone and show you guys how to use the app. So if you guys don't have the app already, go ahead and make sure to download Fetch Rewards through my link below in the description, and make sure to do it now because it's a really great app to start scanning those receipts, getting points for it. The earlier you do it, the less you're missing out on, right? And also, if you use my code PW146, you're gonna be able to get 2,000 points, which equals $2 for free. So as you can see here, you're already gonna be able to get a $3 Amazon gift card if you get 3,500 points. If you use my code, you're gonna be able to get those 2,000 points right away and then quickly get to 3,500 and make your first free $3 in gift cards. All right, we're gonna start screen recording now. I'm gonna show you guys my phone and I'm gonna show you guys Fetch Rewards. So first off, you're gonna wanna scan all the receipts that you have in the last 14 days. So go ahead and scour your purse or your wallet or wherever, because you're gonna be able to scan all those receipts up to 14 days, right? And the max amount of receipts that you can scan in a week is 14 as well. So make sure that you scan whatever you find. And I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna scan that receipt. So first off, I bought some pretzels today and I'm gonna show you guys how to scan that receipt. So here we go. Basically, you're gonna tap the bottom yellow button and that's gonna allow you to scan your receipts, all right? So I'm gonna press the yellow button to get that picture of the receipt. And basically I'm gonna press submit. Okay, it's not showing. So this is supposed to be Auntie Anne's. Okay, so I'm gonna confirm store name right now. And my receipt is uploading, and as you can see, I got 5 points just from scanning it right now. So you're gonna be able to scan as many receipts as you want, and a lot of times they have bonuses, so it might be higher than 5 points. So keep scanning those receipts. You're gonna be able to amass a bunch of points by doing so. And again, like I mentioned, use my code PW146, sign up with my link below for Fetch Rewards, and you'll be able to get 2,000 points right away. So on the front page, you're gonna be able to scroll through a bunch of different products. So the cool thing about this is, like, if you use the app Ibotta, they actually make it so that you have to clip the coupon first and then buy it, and then you're gonna be able to get the points for it. To me, that's really annoying, but like with Fetch Rewards, I'm able to just start taking pictures of receipts and they can detect when I get a product that is already listed here. So if I got this Magnum ice cream bar and I took a picture of my Target receipt and I did buy it, they would be able to give me that 1,000 points. So you can amass points pretty quickly, right? If you keep scrolling, you can get dog supplements for 4,000 points. As you can see here, you can amass points pretty quickly. They're partnering with all these brands and promoting these products, and you're gonna be able to get rewarded for buying stuff, which is pretty cool. Another thing you may wanna note is that I mentioned Ibotta, right? You can still scan those receipts for Ibotta. They all stack. And I use Receipt Pal and CoinOut as well. There are other receipt scanning apps that you might want to check out. I'm going to put my link below because you can get points as well by using my link. And what I do is I just take that same receipt and I take pictures with all those different apps and I get points for all of them. So it's pretty cool. So you should check those out as well. Now let's get back to Fetch Rewards. You can see all the different brands that they work with, all the special offers like we mentioned. There's also this blue button here. So this is basically checking my email and my Amazon to see if there was anything I bought, and they can basically get points from my purchases through scanning my email and stuff like that. So you can connect those accounts. So as you can see here, I got another 25 points, right? I just scanned it. They probably checked my email and they saw I bought this stuff and I got points for it. So you wanna make sure that you hook up your email account and then hook up your Amazon account, and they can automatically scan receipts by just pressing that blue button. All right, so we basically covered the first page, and I think that's basically one of the most important pages. And then basically in the second tab, you're going to be able to look at your activity. So this is a good way if you want to track some of your expenses. You can see where your money's going. I do recommend checking out Personal Capital though for when it comes to tracking your net worth and your expenses and cash flow and stuff like that. So link below for that. But this is another way. If you're scanning your receipts, you can check where your money's going as well. So you can see your recent scans as well as the points you've earned and the total spend by retailer. I don't want to share all this personal information, so I'm probably going to kind of blur this out. You can scroll through and look at the different things you're purchasing. This is a great way to track it. Now you can also go into the rewards. This is the best part, right? You're going to be able to trade those points for rewards. So in the front, you can see all the different categories. They have magazines, sweepstakes, art, beauty, charity. There's so many different things that you can trade for. One thing I wanted to mention earlier was that for Fetch Rewards, they used to just be limited to like grocery stores, convenience stores, pet stores, hardware stores, something like that. And now they've opened it up to any type of receipt, which is the very awesome thing, right? You can scan receipts at random restaurants and they'll be able to take it. So make sure that you're doing that. Make sure you're scanning every type of receipt because you can get points for all different types now. Now, going back to rewards, so you can trade up for a lot of different things. What I personally use it for is like Amazon and then restaurants. So sometimes me and my boyfriend want to go out for a nice meal, so maybe we'll go to Fleming's or go to Cheesecake Factory. Like those are all included. Go into restaurants, you can see the different ones like Applebee's, BJ's, Bubba Gump Shrimp, Buffalo Wild Wings, Burger King, California Pizza Kitchen. There's a lot of different ones. Chili's, Chipotle, I go to Chipotle a lot. Dunkin' Donuts, you get Krispy Kreme. We've used that for Krispy Kreme as well. Maggiano's, we've used it for Maggiano's. There's a really nice place around here that we go to. There's also Olive Garden, Outback. We go to Outback as well. Panera Bread. So a lot of these restaurants, we actually use a lot of our points for these. And what I mentioned was 1,000 points is $1, right? I have 91,000 points here, so I can be trading these for all these different restaurants. So you can totally do that as well. They have a lot of different offerings here. Cheesecake Factory, we go there a lot too. It's really nice to be able to use these points for things that we already go shop for or whatever. I also, use it for Amazon and Target and Safeway a lot. Safeway's kind of annoying because I have to print the gift cards out, but Amazon, Target, they let you use it electronically, obviously, so it's very nice. You can use the different points. So let's go to Amazon, for example. You can search the different ones. As you can see, the first one is 3,500 points for $3, but if you go up, it costs less, right? It's 5,000 for $5, so that's 1,000 points for $1. You're gonna wanna get those probably if you want to get the most bang for your buck. You can keep amassing these different gift cards and then putting it into your account, and there's a limit. So on Fetch Rewards, you can only redeem one gift card per 6 hours. Okay, so if you have a bunch of points you want to trade, you can't just do it all right away. You have to do it every 6 hours. Usually, I feel like 50,000 is the most, like $50 is the most. So just take note of that as well. Another thing to note, you see how all of my bubbles right now are yellow? If you don't have the amount of points necessary for those numbers, it won't have the yellow circle on it. For example, if I can't afford the 50,000 point gift card, it won't have that yellow circle on it. So the yellow circle is nice to see so that you know that you can redeem those gift cards. So now let's go to my rewards, and you can see the different rewards here. I'm gonna blur out the ones for myself because I want to keep some of the information private. But basically, if you want to use a gift card and then you want to make sure it's marked as used, you can tap the mark as used button so that it'll go to the bottom, and you will make sure that you have it all categorized where you know that you haven't used certain gift cards yet, or you have. So it's a very nice way to organize which cards have been used or not. You can also donate to different charities like American Cancer Society or Red. Electronics, you can do Best Buy, you can do GameStop. There's so many different gift cards that you can trade for, and it's really nice because it cuts down a lot of like my expenses day to day when I'm trading for these gift cards, right? So I can use that and use it on things that I regularly would buy. I'm gonna try to redeem a gift card right now, but I think I already used one, but I'll show you what that looks like. It'll text me and then I'll validate the code. Yeah, as you can see, I have to wait 6 hours to redeem another gift card. But basically, when you can do it, you just tap get my $50 reward or whatever reward, and then you're going to be able to use those gift cards. Now you can go to the last tab, and basically this is your profile page. So as you can see, there's a refer a friend section, so tap that and you're going to get your own code. I already referred you guys, right? I already gave you my code and you guys can get points for that, but you can give your own code to recommend to a friend, and then you will also get points as well. So when you guys are signing up with my code, I get points as well. So thank you guys. If you guys are using my code, then I get some points as well. So you should do that as well for your friends. Then you can get some points as well for that. And if you need any help, you can go to the help center, check the frequently asked questions, right? You can see all the different categories. You can also go back here and contact them on the contact us page, and you can see all your tickets and they will support you with that, which is really awesome. So I think that's mainly it with Fetch Rewards. And I just want to mention, if you want to save a lot of money, if you want to get more cash back, this will help you track your purchases so you can be aware of your spending habits, but also you will get points and cash back for all your purchases, which is really awesome. It'll help you with your monthly expenses, so you can work on saving more money and then using that money and investing it, right? So that's the goal here. You want to achieve financial freedom through tracking your expenses, making sure you're reducing those expenses and saving more money, and then using that money to invest it, and then also build those side hustles to increase your income further. Again, like I mentioned, after you use Fetch Rewards, use that same receipt and scan it through CoinOut and Receipt Pal, and if you can, even use Ibotta as well to clip those coupons. I will link all of those below in the description so that you can start saving even more money and getting more cash back, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I want you guys to earn more free gift cards. Fetch Rewards has been amazing for me. I freaking love it, which is why I talk about it a lot on this channel, actually. And if you guys have more questions on Fetch Rewards, I will try to cover what I can, because I really love this app and I support it. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of my latest videos. Smash the like button if you like it. Comment below and let me know if you guys are using Fetch Rewards or not. And I hope you guys like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.